Hello my dear students, good evening to all and welcome to online class. Students, in my previous lecture, I taught you types of present tense in which I explained all the types one by one. Now you can do practice work. So start your practice work from the book. Okay, a number of examples has been given. A number of examples have been given in your book, whatever grammar book you have. Just go through once and start translating them. So today, as I completed present tense and its type, so today I am going to start the next tense. And what is the next tense? You know very well, past tense. Okay. Yes, my dear student. So I am going to start here past tense, and so here is what tense, and what is the first type of past tense? Simple past. Simple past. Okay. You know, its another name is what? Past indefinite. Past indefinite. Past indefinite tense. As we had present indefinite or simple present, similarly we have simple past or past indefinite. Both are same. Now again you have to draw the same format. And what is the format? Singular number, plural number, and here is what? First person, second person, and here is what? Third person. Here I, you, he, she. Here we, you, and here they. Okay. Just remember, just imagine, go back, you need to go in flashback. In present simple or the simple present or present indefinite, what was the structure? I think the structure was subject plus V1 plus S/ES plus object. Here it is very easy now. Far easy than simple present. Here only the structure is only subject plus V2 plus object. You know how easy this tense is, simple past. Here I will write only the second form of the main verb. Suppose that I want to take a verb go. And what is the second form of the go? Go, went, gone. So what is the second form? Went. So I will write everywhere went. I went, we went, you went. I went, we went, you went, you went. She went, they went, he went, and Astha went. Okay, Aradhya went, you went. यानी मैं गया. ठीक है, मैं गया था या मैं गया. ओके, बोथ आर सेम. You went, आप गए. We went, हम लोग गए. अगर मैं प्लूरल की बात करूँ, if I take example of you from the plural number section, then आप लोग गए. Similarly here, she went, वह गई या वह गई थी. Now here is what? They went, वे गए. Similarly, हमने खाया. We ate, because ate is the second form of verb eat. So it is very easy. Suppose that कहाँ गए? Where did you go? Then definitely your answer will be I went to market. मैं मार्केट गई थी. I went to school. मैं स्कूल गई थी. In this way, we can make so many sentences. We can give so many sentence example of this tense, because now you have structure, subject plus V2 plus object, and you know this format. This format is रामबाण. Okay? कहते हैं ना हर मर्ज की एक ही दवा. तो you have to study total 12 tenses. Okay? And for 12 diseases there is only one medicine, and that medicine is this format. And this medicine was given to me by my brother. Okay? And the same Rambam I am going to give you. So please keep it safe, because it will be very much helpful. Not for you only, but in future. You can also make other students, make your brother, sister understand this tense. And one day will come when you will get mastery over this topic. That is why you have to remember this format, and always remember, try to learn how to find out the structure. Now what you have to do? Your homework is only, you have to make at least 10 sentence example from each subject. How? Suppose that I am giving you 5 action. For example, one action I am giving you. Okay, action is what? Teach. So what will be here? I taught. We taught. You taught. She taught. He taught. They taught. That means with one action we can make at least 6 sentences. So if you will take 10 actions, then definitely you will be able to make 10 to the 6, 10, 6 ja 60. Okay? So 60 sentences you can make with the help of this format and with the help of only 10 actions. This was all about of today's class. In next class again I will come here and I will teach you next tense, and we will have some more sentence example for practice. In the meanwhile, stay tuned and continue your practice work. Thank you very much, class.